Good morning, Year 4. It's Friday, and today we're going to be looking at multiplying a 3-digit by a 1-digit number using column method. So your anchor task, recalling what we did yesterday, can you use written method, so using column method to do these sums? So we are doing 2 by 1-digit multiplication. So pause the video. Question 1 and 2 are set out for you, but questions 3 and 4, can you draw your own column method out and have a go at those? So moving on to today's learning, we are going to be timesing 3 by 1-digit numbers. So if you have a look at the model at the top, we have 3 times 150. Now remembering that it does not matter which way around these numbers go when you are timesing, it is still the same whether it's 3 times 150 or 150 times 3. So I have 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and no ones, so 0 ones. I've got a placeholder and I've got 3 sets of those, so remembering to look for groups of 10 for any exchanging. So I've got 5, 10 here. Okay, and I'm going to exchange that for 100. And I have 5 tens left over. So working from my ones column, I have no ones, I have 5 tens remaining, and I now have 4 hundreds. So 3 times 150 is 450. So see if you can use this strategy and have a go at these questions here independently. Pause the video and have a go now in your books. So another strategy we looked at yesterday was using column method, and we were partitioning those numbers up and timesing each number in turn. So first of all, we times 3 times 4, which we know makes 12, and we pop our 2 in our ones column, and we carry over the 10 that's in 12 into our tens column. So pop the 1 in the tens column to show 1 10. Next we would do 0 times 4. Well, 0 times 4 is 0, but we need to add on our 1. Okay, so we have 110. And finally, we are timesing 100 by 4. So 1 times 4 is 4, and because it's in the hundreds column, it's 100 times 4, which is 400. So our answer would be 412. We can check that using our counters, checking for exchanges. So I know 3, 6, 9, that I have 10 counters here, which I'm going to exchange for 100, even though it's a different colour. And so I have, oh, spot the mistake I've just made. I don't need 100, do I? I need a 10. Silly Miss Cook. So I have replaced these 10 ones for 110 because they're equivalent. So I have 2 ones left over, I have 1 10 left over, and I have 4 hundreds left over. See, even teachers make mistakes sometimes. So I want you to have a go at these 4 questions in your books using written column method, thinking about partitioning the number and timesing the number together separately. So 3 times 4, and then your tens column, and then your hundreds column. So silver today, questions 1, 2, 3 and 4, and using the column method and some counters to help you in working out these multiplications. Then for gold, you are going to be doing questions 5 onwards, picking out the information that you need and multiplying those numbers together. So you might not necessarily need all of those numbers, they may be there to catch you out. And platinum, we have some reasoning and problem solving. So again, some missing numbers similar to yesterday, and some reasoning in explaining which child is correct and why.